How to check Valorant shop on phone. So first off, let's go to your Play Store and go to search and search Voking GG and make sure you have installed this one. But in my case, I have installed it, so I just have to open it. Now, once you're in here, you must be signed with the Valorant or your account in Riot. So for me, I have to log in. Now, once you're done, just acknowledge and sign it with Riot. So after signing in, this is where you can view the shop of the Valorant. So just go to store, and this is where you shop with Valorant, but it has temporarily removed the store feature and are working hard with Riot to bring it back to you. So it will come back again later or soon. But this is where you get or to view or to shop in Valorant. And you could also see the agent tier list in here and also the ranking of players. And that's it.